Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In the previous class, we learned about the technologies involved in the Python full stack program. In this class, we will discuss an overview of Python. Let's start our session. First, we will cover an introduction to Python. We will discuss the history and provide a complete introduction to Python. At the end of the session, we will go over some interview questions related to Python introduction. After completing the introduction, we will learn about data types. As you may know, Python is a dynamically type, meaning the type of a variable is declared at runtime. We will discuss what a data type in detail in the coming classes. Following data types, we will learn about operators. There are different types of operators, and we will cover all of them in upcoming classes. Next, we will cover decision making statements, also known as conditional statements. We will learn about if-else statements in future classes. After decision making, we will learn about loops, including for and while loop. Next, we will cover a large and important topic called data structures. In this, we will learn about list, tuple, string, dictionaries, and sets. Upon completing data structures, we will discuss functions, which is one of the most important topics in Python. We will then cover exemption handling, learning how to handle errors effectively. After exemption handling, we will learn about files, including how to open and close files in Python. We will then move to OOPS concept, an essential topic for interviews. We will cover everything about OOPS in detail. Following OOPS, we will learn about classes and objects, including access modifiers, data hiding, encapsulation, and more. Next, we will cover about inheritance, covering all its types in upcoming classes. We will also cover polymorphism with examples. After that, we will discuss modules. There are different types of modules and we will cover everything about them. We will then move to GUI programming, that is graphical user interface programming. Finally, we will practice 3 live projects on our YouTube channel. So guys, we are going to learn all these topics one by one on our YouTube channel. If you don't want to miss any of these classes, please subscribe and turn on the notification.